Hi. Yeah, so I'm going to give you some instructions on how to fix the solenoid issue with the regulator. The typical reason for why the bubble counter continues to show bubbles even after the solenoid has been turned off is due to a blockage or some sort of failure in the solenoid. So I'd like for us to try this first before we jump to a full replacement or an upgrade if necessary. And what you need to for this is to have a spanner. So what you're gonna do is on the regulator, you'll see this, okay? So just take a spanner and loosen it up like that. Sorry, it's kind of difficult to film, but once this has been loosened up, just try that again. Cool. So once this has been loosened up, we're going to take this out, right? So as you can see, what's essentially happening is when electricity flows through this, right, it essentially becomes a magnet of some sort. When there's no electricity, there's a mechanism in here that will push a pin upwards to prevent the flow of CO2 from here into your bubble counter. Now, if that mechanism is malfunctioning, what ends up happening is that CO2 continues to go through here. And that's where you'll find that, even with the solenoid turned off, your bubbles, your CO2 is still flowing. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to make sure that there's no blockages in here. So as you can see, there's absolutely nothing in here. But also one of the reasons, one of the causes for failure in here is because this could be dirty, which is usually from grime or a bit of silicone oil during the manufacturing stage. So what you do is you just grab some tissue paper and just give this a wipe. So just clean it up. All right, just give it a nice good clean. And then you're going to want to try and clean the insides of this as well by putting a tissue paper through, and then just giving it, a good clean in there. And then when everything's all good, just go back, put it in, and tighten the nut up, and then give it a try and see if that helps. If it doesn't help, let me know, and we'll move on to another option. Okay, thank you so much, and let me know if you've got any questions. Cheers.